The resource browser is the central location for all Vectorworks resources. In the resource browser, you can view and use default resources provided with your version of Vectorworks. For example, to view all of the resources available in the Architect Sampler library, use the Browse a Document command, then navigate to the Architect Sampler file. Now the resources from this library can be viewed and used in the active document. Once the symbols are placed into the active document, they are imported to the list of resources for that document. If the library is one that may be used frequently, it can be added to the list of favorites, which means it will be easily accessible for use with other Vectorworks files. Aside from the provided default libraries, users can also create their own resources like gradients and symbols. Users can also create custom resource libraries that can be added to the list of favorites. Additionally, resources from one Vectorworks document can be referenced into other Vectorworks files. This means when changes are made to a resource in the source file, all of the reference symbols in other Vectorworks files will be updated as well. For example, notice this curved bench symbol is shown with italicized font. This is because the symbol is being referenced from the exhibit new file. If a change is made to the curved bench symbol in the exhibit new file, the change can also be updated in the floor plan file. So I'll just go ahead and edit the bench and change the color to a green. Then exit the symbol and save the exhibit new file. Notice now the source name is shown in red font. This means the reference is out of date and can be updated. After updating, now the curved bench symbol looks the same as in the source file. Keep in mind, this is just a brief overview of the many functions and options available in the resource browser, and they will be covered in depth in future videos. In general, most users keep the resource browser open in their workspace, but keep the palette minimized until it's actually needed.